All right, I have a treat for y'all today. So if you are in the market for a car charger, not just a regular old car charger, no, I'm talking about a super fast car charger, one that charges your phone to speeds similar to what you get if you have a fast charger in the home and or office. Well, this is what I got right here. We have 175 total watts here. This is by JoyRoom. Now, I have another one of my JoyRoom. Check this out. You see that box over there? That little charging box? Right there. That's JoyRoom. I use it every day. Friggin' love it. This is a version of their car charger. So, I got it in the mail yesterday. Had to go run some errands yesterday. And thought, you know what, let's put it to the test. And holy smokes, this is unlike any other charger I've used in the car. And I'm not just saying that, like, it honestly blew me away. So here's what you get in it. Now, here's some of the specs. You can pause it if you want to. I'm not going to bore you by reading all of this. I recommend just pause it if you need to look at that in detail. But it's got a lot of different charging standards, and they're all the best standards. So you get the charger, and it also includes I think it's a 1 meter, so it's a 3-foot Type C to Type C, but it's not your average Type C. Look at that, up to 100 watts with this cable. So that comes with it. It also comes with a what is this? And I'm gonna check this out. I'm gonna go to the car. I'm gonna take you with me to my car, and we are going to test. We're gonna plug one up to it. We're gonna plug 3 phones up to it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And we will put it to the test. So again, you can pause it if you want to, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. So, and let me give you the QR code. You can certainly scan that as well. It comes with a nice warranty there. This has vented design. So I was like, damn, does this thing get hot? Is that why they have put vents in there? And every now and then I would reach down and touch it or feel it, put my hand around it to see. I guess it'd be like this. And it wasn't really hot. It was slightly warm, but it was not hot. And I want the fastest charging possible. So there you get JoyRoom. There it displays 175 total watts. That's not out of one port, but that's how much potential output. So on the very top, you have the 100-watt charger. That's 100 watts if you plug it in. This is power delivery, and your second Type C port is a power delivery, and it's up to 45 watts. And then you have a Type A for people that still use and or have a Type A. And that is Quick Charge 3.0. I think that's the latest version. I don't think they've released 4.0 yet. So this is the latest and greatest when it comes to charging standards. And that one's up to 30 watts. Very nice product. Again, just 1 day of use, but holy crap, it charged my phones. Normally when I have a fast charger, I think now maybe a 45-watt charger in the car. And I have a 45-watt charger here at home. And it seems like when you're in the car, and obviously there's a difference between AC and DC, alternating current and direct current. But it just seems like even if the wattage is the same on the chargers, it just seems like it takes a little longer or it charges slower in the car, even if the wattage is the same. So yesterday I plugged this in, not knowing what to expect. It charges it fast. It charges it fast. So I'm going to plug in with those 3 ports. I'm going to plug in the S26 Ultra, the Motorola Signature, and the OnePlus 15. All right, so let's go to the car and let's test this out. All right, so we're probably going to make this quick. It is hot as hell up in here. I'm in the garage, and it's like an oven, okay? Here is the charger, and I am going to put it in there, and we're going to test out each of these devices. We're going to plug them in individually and then plug them in all together. Let me go ahead, plug this in just like that. Oh, and if you're going to use, it lights up, which is pretty cool. If you're going to use the Type A, make sure you get a USB Type 3 series. It's the A with the blue inside that allows for, theoretically, it's for data transfer, but just try to get the latest and greatest when it comes to these chargers, these cables. So let me turn this around and so I can use both hands. Whew, it is hot. As you can see, I'm sweating. So let's go ahead, and I got the JoyRoom charging cable. So the cable that came with it, I have it plugged into the 100 watt USB Type-C port. And let's see what kind of measurements we get here. What are we at? 223. Last night, it went up to 5.6 amps, so almost 6 amps. My car is not on, which I'm assuming that might make a difference. But it went up to 5.6. Now, let's plug in the second cable into the second slot. And let's see what we get here with the Samsung 2.7. Continually climbing. Car, I'm assuming, has to be on, because I'm like, damn, why is it so much lower than yesterday? Well, I was driving around yesterday, so it's probably why. You can take my word for it. It charges super fast. Let's plug in the Type A. So all three are plugged in at the moment. You get the point. So obviously it's gonna, when all three are connected, it's gonna charge a little slower to each one. And if you have two connected, it's obviously gonna slow. It's gonna charge a little slower than if you just have one connected. But if you just have one phone connected, this thing's gonna be cranking out some power. Again, I'm assuming it's a little lower today, just because when I'm testing it, just because I'm not, the car's not on. So you can take my word for it. It's the fastest charger I've ever owned. So I'm going to put a link down below in the video description. Pick it up. It's on Amazon. If you don't like it, you can return it, right? So it's no biggie. But I certainly was blown away yesterday by how fast this thing charged my phone. Peace.